Papa?
Mama. Mama, it's me. In flesh and blood. Mama, I'm alive. I'm not dead. I'm alive. It's me in flesh and blood.
It's you.
It's me. I'm alive.
I was told you were dead.
Mama, I'm not dead.
Hey!
I'm alive.
Alpha?
Mama.
Hey! 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 I almost killed myself. Alpha. How? What would you have said when you come and you find out that your mother is dead? Hey! Alpha.
Mama, I'm happy to see you alive too. I would have been dead by now, but the gods saved my life.
Hey! Hey!
Let me go and tell her. Let me tell you what is happening. All plans are
How can you come back? No, it is not possible.
Hit you.
Hey! So it is true. Ezechina must have given us wrong information. Hey! You are back! Hey! No, but you didn't try at all. You didn't try. Eh? You kept us in the dark. Eh? So where have you been?
Uncle, it's a long story, but please, can you sit down so we'll talk more?
I knew you were not dead. I knew you were alive. But your mother will not believe me. Because he believed in the fake news. You see, Ezechina lied to us.
Uncle, he did not lie. But the gods kept me alive.
You see? How? The gods heard my cry. Your cry, you say? Mm-hmm. Our cry. You need to see me. I was crying and crying and crying. God, thank God. Anyway, do you have food in the house? Because he must be very famished now. Menife, I've not cooked anything today. I'm not. No food? No. Okay, wait. Hey! Hey! Take this. Thank you so much. Make sure you prepare very delicious food for him. Thank you. Thank you so much. Meanwhile, I want to go and see the Ono and the others and tell them the good news of our son's return.
Uncle, thank you. Thank you very much.
Ofodile, you're welcome. 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 We thank God. We thank God. Thank God. Okay, I'll be back. Okay. Hey, Papa. Papa. Hey. Come, let's go. Here. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Hello. Hey.
Please forgive me. I beg you in the name of God. I ran away that day because I was scared. And I didn't want them to kill both of us. Please.
You did the right thing by running away that day. Maybe you wouldn't have survived it if they had captured you.
Oh, thank you, my brother. Thank you for your understanding.
Okay.
Thank you. So tell me, how did you escape?
I did not escape.
What do you mean you did not escape? Okay, did they release you? What happened now, as in, how did you...
I was saved by the gods.
Come on, I know you were saved by the gods. That is what you keep saying, but I want you to explain to me, how did it really happen? Did the gods come down or say...
I've told you, but the most important thing now is that I'm still alive.
Well, that is true. And the BC. That is true.
Can we leave this place?
I'm back.
So how did you go?
He refused to talk.
What do you mean you refuse to talk?
Mama, he refused to tell me how he escaped. He kept telling me I was saved by the gods. Huh? See, Mama, now that he's back, let's just forget about everything.
No, we will not. It is either you become the Igwe of the community or no one else. Mampwe.
And what if I say I'm not more interested?
Will you shut your mouth? Shut up. You don't seem to understand what I'm doing for you. Igwe, is it not you that will be the Igwe? Is it me?
But Mama, I know. But I still don't know how you want to do this, now that he's back. Huh?
That is why I say you should listen to me. I have a plan B.
Just immediately?
Of course, don't you trust me? Ademi mejebe n'oke.
Mama, I saw Omenife coming out of this compound. Has it been long he came?
Omenife? He didn't come here. Maybe he was going somewhere else.
I saw him coming out from this compound. I saw him.
He did not come here. Tell me why I know who called you.
Mama, he said I'm invited to the Council of Elders meeting in the next Eke Market day. And they are still discussing on the date of my coronation.
Before, God will always bless you.
He say...
The gods of our land will protect you. No evil will come close to where you are.
Thank you.
You know what? You'll be the best Igwe Umobia community has ever had.
I take it.
Receive it.
I take it.
Receive it.
Mama, thank you. Thank you very much.
Hey, I found one.
Mama.
Where are those people? Where are they? Where are those people who are rejoicing over the news that you were dead? Shame on them!
Mama, do you know that Onowu and Ichie Onuibo knew I was not dead?
Why didn't he tell me?
They decided to keep it a secret. Mama, what is it?
Ah! My tummy.
Mama?
Ah!
Mama? Hold on. Let me get you water.
Ah!
Mama? Mama, stop this. Mama! Hey! What is this now? What is this?
What happened?
Mama,
She's dead. Just leave her.
No, stop saying that.
She's dead. Can't you see?
Hey! What's going on, Mama? Mama, what's going on?
His mother just died.
Mama! Mama! Huh? Mama! Hey!
Instead of you. Mama, they're crying like a woman. That's all your uncle.
Hey! Mama, look at her. Mama, she had poison. Mama, don't poison.
Don't you shut your mouth. Can't you say what you do? You say that call your uncle. They better call that call you. That call your uncle. Leave her. She's dead.
Mama, stop.
Leave her alone. She's
Mama.
dead.
Mama, please stand up. Stand up, Mama.
Hey.
Hey!
Hey. Anu. Why you behave like a woman? Do you think I can walk in? No. Why you doing around like that? Are you not a man again? Also, I need it. She's just
Hey!
leave her alone.
Hey!
Hey.
What?
I'm gonna leave her alone. She's dead.
Mama!
But I've told you to relax. Just relax. I am the engine room behind all this.
Uncle, good day, good day.
Is it China? Why were you running as if something is wrong?
Uncle, yeah, something is wrong. Oh. Something is wrong. I'm just coming from your house.
What happened?
Talk on now. Yes, Uncle. Unfortunately, mother is dead.
What happened to her? What happened to her?
Uncle, she had poisoned food and she died instantly.
Hey!
Yeah. Did you say poison? So, who?
Hey!
So who must have poisoned Ugonna?
I don't know.
Evil has entered our land. Evil people has entered our land. Evil people everywhere. This is too bad. Hey!
Bia. What of Ofodile?
Ofodile is beside her dead mother crying. Uncle, he's really crying. No.
Wait. Did he also eat the food?
No, he's still alive. If he has eaten from the food, he would have been dead by now. Uncle, my mother said I should come to your house and call you. You should come with me immediately.
It's okay.
Let's go.
Be going, I'll be right behind you. Huh? Go.
I didn't meet him at home and I waited for some time. He still did not come. But eventually when I was coming back, I met him on my way coming back home. He said he's coming.
Oh, please, he should come quickly, people. He should come now.
Hey!
Ugonna!
Ugonna! Who did this to you?
Now you're manifest. Whoever that did this to Goma will punish. The person will never know peace. But you know we have been waiting for long now. So what are we going to do?
What else are we going to do? That will call the youth so that they can go and dig her grave and bury her immediately.
Just look at my mother. If the mother did this, my mother will not survive this. Oh, that person must die. But person must suffer till the end. That person will turn to an imbecile. That person will never see the daylight the next day. That person will confess and rotten until he confess the evil that he has done. Just look at my mother. God will punish that person. Ugoma! Hey! Wicked!
Ikutu Brahme. Ikutu Brahme. Hey!
Hello. What is the matter?
Mama, I am worried. Who could have come to this house to poison her food?
Is that why you're worried?
Mama, why won't I be worried? Huh? If somebody can come to this house and poison her food, that means we are not safe.
Eziechina, whoever that killed Ugoma has a reason for doing that. Which me or the best, I do not know. But her death will not deter my own ambition of you becoming the next Igwe of this land.
Mama, don't let anybody hear this outside though, before they think we both killed Ofodili's mother.
Did you kill her?
God forbid. How could I have done such a thing?
I didn't kill her either. Ugoma's death has paved a way for us. It has cleared the road for us. We don't have any other obstruction on the road for you to be the next Igwe. Ofodile, I know what to tell him to make him completely reject the decision of the gods. He will not take it. So you are the next Igwe. Igwe! We are winning.
Mama, like I said, do not even see this outside, so they will not be pointing accusing fingers at us. Hey. Oh.
Clear conscience. They say, fears no accusation. I am not afraid of anything. I didn't do anything.
Kill.
Ije Enuka. He said he has a plan. What plan is he talking about? What is he up to? Ofodile. His coronation has been postponed indefinitely because of his mother's death. And I've not seen him for the past 2 days since the mother's burial. What's happening?
Whatever has a beginning surely has an end. 99 days for the thief. One day, not for the honor. Onyana banka kaja.
Thank you, Mo. Hey, no. Oh, my mother is dead. I can't believe this. Oyemu. Who am I going to talk to?
Please stop. Please stop crying. Should I bring food for you? Food is ready. Okay, fine. Let's go inside so that you drink water and eat something.
You go rap. Hey.
Uncle. Welcome.
Thank you. How are you?
Fine.
Affordably. You are still crying. No amount of tears will bring your mother back. She's dead. Gone. Gone forever. The earlier you imbibe this, the better for everyone.
Uncle, please talk to him. For 2 days now, he has been like this. He has been crying. He has refused to eat. I and my mother have been begging him to eat and drink something, but he has refused. Please talk to him.
No, now, this is not fair. Affordably. This is not fair.
I can't believe that my mother is lying deep inside the grave. My own mother. Nengem,
you are causing harm to yourself. Be a man and console yourself, okay? You forget that you are the future king of this land. What if people come here now and see you cry like this like a baby? They will think that you are from a weak family. And we are very strong in our family. Be strong. You say he has not eaten?
No, for 2 days.
Come. Let's go. Come on now. Come. So, be a man. Our teacher is good.
Mango. Where's the company? Okay. I beat you. Anoint my hands and let my hands touch the right lips.
cannot fight a man with the gods. Makonya chimeleze, eze koga. Isi karaka, okwanya nebuokidi, okwanya chidi.
Fodile, I've been so worried about you. What happened?
My mother is dead.
She was poisoned 25 days ago. I knew it.
How did you know she was poisoned?
I saw it in my vision. But she wasn't the target. And it was too late. Ofodile, you have to be very careful. Someone or some people want you dead by all means.
Who are these people you're talking about? And what have I done that someone would want me dead?
I do not know who they are. But that is the main reason why you have to be careful. Please, do not go back there again.
I can just run away from my father's land.
I once said the same thing too. But I later realized how important it was to save my life. Do not go back there again. Save your life first. It's dangerous for you to go back there. At least not immediately.
But I will soon be crowned the king of my community. I have no reason to run away from my father's land.
Your life is more important than the crown. Perhaps the crown is the reason why they want you dead.
I was chosen by the gods. So I see no reason anyone should want me dead because of the crown. I wish I can be told these people you're talking about so I can avenge the death of my mother.
Okay. Accept my sympathy for the death of your mother.
What?
Hello. Odejinji. Odejinji.
Odejinji.
Odejinji. Oh. Whoever that made away with the image of Odejinji, he or she will die. And that body will be buried in the evil forest. I have spoken, but I will look for you. I have spoken. Whoever you are will die. Whoever you are, you will die. Whoever you are. Whoever has tried has tried. Oh, what's in a movie back there? I don't know your banana. Hey! Manu, what are you doing?
The oracle is not seen at this time of the day unless there is trouble in the land. Think he's going to Onowu's house. What must have happened? What must have happened? Hey! I think I have to follow him and know what the problem is.
Come back tomorrow. Your medicine will be ready by then.
Thank you very much.
Who is she?
A patient of mine. She has skin rash. She's been here for an hour.
An hour, you said?
Yes.
Meaning I've been sleeping for a while now.
You've been sleeping 45 minutes before she got here.
I am not surprised. Because I've not slept well since my mother's death.
The more reason you should stay here for a while.
No. I have to start going now because it's getting late.
I strongly advise that you stay with me for a while.
Rima, even if I'm going to stay, I will go home first and get my things and come back tomorrow.
I sense danger ahead. Grave danger.
Like I said, I have to go home and get my things. It's getting late. I thank you for your food and your word of encouragement.
Ofodili has tarnished his image. Not delay. That's not the question. I don't know. He has tarnished his image. It's really powerful thing. Why would he?
Hey, good day. How are you?
I'm fine.
Are you with them?
Yes, Nai.
Where are you headed?
To your late brother's house.
My late brother's house? What is happening?
Are you not aware that the image of Odejiji is missing?
Yes, I'm aware. But what has my late brother's house got to do with missing image?
There was a report that your late brother's son, Ofodile, was seen around the shrine premises yesterday at late hour. We are going there to fetch him. He must tell us what happened to the image of Odejiji.
My late brother's son? You mean Ofodile? You mean Ofodile?
Yes.
Why would Ofodile tamper with the image of Odejiji, knowing full well that he's the future Igwe of this kingdom?
Nai.
Are you sure there's no mistake somewhere?
Nai.
I'm not in the right position to answer that question. Ofodile will explain better if we see him. Excuse me.
My own Ofodile? Why would Ofodile do that? Eh? Why would he tamper with the image of Odenjiji, knowing that he's the future king of this kingdom? Anyway, I think I have to keep my ears to the ground. I need to find out what is actually happening.
Oh no, my elders. Good morning.
Escalating, how are you?
How are you doing?
We are here to see Ofodile, but it seems like their house is locked. Are you aware of his whereabouts?
But I saw him this morning leaving the house very early.
And he has not returned up till now?
No, he has not. My elders, oh no, any problem?
We are here to ask him question about the missing image of Odeji.
Yes. Oh no. Let us decide on the next action to take. Since the young man in question is not around.
Yes. Oh no. There is no time to waste. The youth should search everywhere for the missing mask. They should search everywhere. They should search even the room, search the kitchen.
No, I don't agree with you. We can't search the house. Since we are not sure of what is responsible, we can't.
No, oh no. Let the youth search the whole compound.
Yes.
If nothing is found, we drop message for delay. He should come to the council of elders and explain himself.
Yes. Oh no, they should ransack everywhere. They should search everywhere.
It's okay. Use of Umoga.
No.
Okay. Let's go. You people search everywhere. Look for the missing image of Odeji.
Ransack the whole compound. Search everywhere. Go everywhere. Search the whole compound. Yes. Ransack the whole compound. Ikutu brame. Ikutu brame.
Rufus, I don't understand what we are doing here. Ofodile cannot tamper with the image of Odeji.
See, I share the same view with you. But the accusation has been made. And he needs to prove his innocence.
I'm not enjoying it at all. I'm not. For the fact that he was seen at the shrine area does not make him the thief.
Yeah, I know. But to fulfill all righteousness, let's search here and join others. Eh? Let's search.
Rufus, let's go.
Did you search here?
Rufus, there's nothing there. Let's go.
See, Ekene, we need to search every nooks and crannies of this place. Please, calm down now. Don't be in a hurry. Let's search here.
See you later. Ekene, what is it?
Come on, see.
Rufus, is this real?
The Onowu and the elders must hear about this. Hey!
How are you?
I'm fine. You're not supposed to be here.
How do you mean? I don't understand.
You need to run. Your life is in danger.
My own life in danger?
Yes!
How? I don't understand.
See, the image of Odenjiji got missing last night. And it was said you were the only one seen around the shrine. Late hours of yesterday. They went to your house in search of it and found it at the back of your house.
That is not possible. Someone must have kept it there. I can prove myself to let my people know that I'm innocent. I can.
See, you need to run. I beg you in the name of the gods. You need to run. The youths are everywhere looking for you.
I can't.
Please, you need to run, please. You need to go now.
What is it? What?
Shut up.
Yeah, wait. I have nothing to do with the missing image of the gods. I can challenge my accusers. I can.
But for delay, it is too late. The death sentence has already been pronounced.
Are the gods blind? Are they blind to must have passed such judgment to an innocent man?
Oh, why are we wasting time here now? Let's take this man out of here. This man is a criminal and must have committed an abomination.
Hey, be careful. Be careful, because I am not a criminal. I am still the future Iwe of this community. And I deserve some respect from you, and from you. Some respect!
Mechano, that was then, not anymore. Now, I'm going to shut up. Shut up.
Let's go.
How could you do that, Ekene? How could you? Why did you let him go? Why?
I didn't know what came over me.
What? Ekene, you say you don't know what came over you. I swear to God I am not happy with you. I swear. You just made our efforts fruitless. Oster, am I not speaking your mind?
You are speaking my mind, Ugo. You are speaking my mind. Ekene, our team would have taken the glory. Now he might fall in the hands of another team. Why?
Come to think of it, we all know that Ofodile is innocent. He couldn't have stolen the image of Odejiji now.
Okay, Mechano. Then who did it? Who?
Please, I beg you two not to tell anybody. If truly that Ofodile is guilty of the offense, he will not go scot-free.
Okay, fine. Oster, in that case, we all should go home. The search is of no use anymore. But for me, one day, I'm Bawado. Because.
Please help me talk to him. You know he's your friend, he will listen to you.
Ekene. Ugo, please wait for me. Wait.
I am not happy that I have not been able to avenge the death of my son. The sorcerer is walking freely now somewhere. All effort I have made to get her have proven abortive.
Your Highness, you have done your best. You should leave the rest to the gods to handle.
My best have not been enough. She does not deserve to live. 2 of my guards are still missing because of her.
Aye, it is terrible. And no one in Amaude Kingdom is happy about it.
My spirit will not rest until I find her. Even if it will cost me the last drop of my blood. She can never get away with her evil and sorcery.
Our gods are not sleeping. She will surely be found, Your Highness. Your Highness, I need you to take my leave. Take it easy. Everything will be all right. Huh?
Oh no. I am deeply troubled. There is no son to take over the throne from me. Where is my joy? It has been stolen from me by that evil child. And that is why I will never forgive her.
Oh, Your Highness, take it easy. Everything will be all right. Sooner or later, the new queen is heavy with a child. And who knows? She may be a baby boy.
Your Highness! Your Highness! Your Highness! Guards! Guards! And the door, make sure nobody enters, please!
I warned you not to go, but you refused to heed the voice of reasoning. If the gods hadn't been with you, you would have been dead by now.
The gods, you said? Where were they when I was being accused of nothing? What did they do?
Ofodile, the gods are with you. If they weren't with you, those youths who caught you will have taken you back to the community.
Rima, you're complicating issues. Leave the gods out of this. They know nothing. They can't see. They are blind.
They see. I know how you feel. Everything will be all right.
When? How? I was forced out of my father's land. For how long will I continue running?
We are here to see your mother concerning my sister.
You cannot see my mother. She's sleeping now. What is the problem?
Please help me. Please help me.
What is wrong with her? What?
Please help me.
What is wrong with her?
She's epileptic.
You can take her home now.
Is that all?
No. Bring her back tomorrow. Her herbs will be ready by then.
Thank you. Thank you.
I am hopeless, helpless, and homeless. My life is all at stake. Oh, on the run, on the run. Who do I talk to? Where do I run to? Gods of a land, I am innocent. Batara senye maka ika kugonumuo. Batara senye maka ewegi monyoso.
I shouldn't have let him go, since the gods decided to deliver him in my hands. My mother will not be happy with this. I'm not going to tell her. I won't tell anybody.
I'm very happy you made it.
Yeah. My stepbrother saw me.
He did?
Yes. We just have to leave here immediately.
Yes.
We're not safe here.
Let's leave.
Who will I turn after?
Hey, War. Who are you and what are you doing here?
I lost my way.
You said you lost your way.
Please, we have some things doing than wasting our precious time with this total stranger. Go. Raponya, let's go.
You're sure you lost your way?
Yes.
Okay, now.
I'm out in a strange land. No mother, no father. I'm on your camera. No one more. No lighter.
No. Wait up for the
Are we not saying? Eh? See, Ofodile has disappointed his people, and the people are the gods of this land. Eh?
See, I am still wondering what must have pushed him in stealing the image of Ode Jinjin.
Look at what you are saying. Ofodile stole the image of Ode Jinjin so that he will sell it to the white men and make more money. Everybody knows that. He must have them.
Hey, Ibebu, you're on point. You are right.
Ibebu cannot be right. Are you a seer? That you saw Ofodile at the shrine area does not make him a criminal.
Then what was the image doing in their house? Eh? Does he want to worship this thing only him? Eh? See, he stole the image. Simple.
Anyone could have planted it there.
See, his sudden disappearance proves that he is guilty. Where is he? I will keep saying it. He stole the image of Odenjinji. Simple.
Ofodile will never return to this village again. That is if he's still alive. Because Odenjinji will never keep quiet.
And you think he can run away from the wrath of Odenjinji?
Oh.
Yeah.
But now that Ezechina has replaced him, do you think Ezechina will make a good king?
Rufus. I will be on my way.
Ose.
Where are you going?
I just remembered I had some dirty clothes to watch. Neno Camden. Kamje Bidogodi Nanka.
Maybe the dirty guy. We know you are a dirty guy. Just go. So let's continue. Leave this book.
Please, in that case, please, I have to join him.
Yeah?
Tomorrow we'll continue the discussion.
You are leaving as well.
Come on.
Hey.
Check. Tomorrow.
Let's finish this one now.
Tomorrow,
Hi. Rufus. Hey. See, come here.
I think Ezechina's mother knew what happened to my mother.
Why do you think so?
She wasn't just happy that the gods chose me as the next Igwe of this land. We were all living in peace before the announcement was made. Then suddenly, her attitude changed.
Alibese, good morning. I'm greeting you.
Hey! Give your greetings to yourself. I don't need it. Am I deaf? Onyarala. I have all your plans in my pants.
Alibese.
Hey! You will see. I'm not being unfair.
What have I done to you? It is very, very unlike you.
What
have I done to you? Tell me so that I can apologize to you instead of all this unnecessary embarrassment.
Embarrassment? Very soon you will see the man embarrassment.
What have I done to you? It is very, very unlike you.
Ugoma, you don't know. Don't worry. Very soon you will know. You that know everything. But this one you don't know. Pretender. Stupid.
Mama, what is the meaning of this? Have you quarreled with her before?
I did not quarrel with her. I don't know what has come over her.
Anyway, my father used to tell me that I shouldn't always interfere in women's affairs. Let me hurry and go and catch my water.
Affordile. I would advise, do not point an accusing finger on anyone, for the gods will show you those behind the death of your mother.
I think sometimes the gods have their way of doing things, but I wonder if they exist.
Mama, I'm here to thank you for curing my sister's sickness. She has not experienced that since the last time that we came here.
I have not asked for this.
Mama, please take it from my heart. Please.
God bless you.
Thank you, Mama.
Affordile. Accept the gift.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Mama. I have to leave now.
My greetings to your sister.
Thank you.
You prepared yourself as if you knew that he would be coming.
Affordile.
How's your sister? Oh yeah. I hope you're fine. all right. I'll send my guides to see you. They will.
When you finally become the Igwe of this kingdom, I will build a big palace. Everybody in this community will become my subjects. I'll have plenty of guards and beautiful selected maidens. And I will be addressed as Igwe of this community. Everybody who does not like me before, I will make them my slave. Those girls that have been toasting that refuse to accept me, they will come crawling and begging Igwe to take them as their babe.
Hey, stop there.
Were you talking to me?
Of course I'm talking to you. Why didn't you greet me?
I saw you, of course.
You saw me, yes, then why didn't you greet me?
Excuse me.
Excuse you? Haven't you heard the latest in this kingdom? That soonest I, Ezechina, will become the Igwe of this kingdom. So now start learning how to greet me. Igwe. Come on, do it.
Was that why you had your brother framed up and chased him out of the community?
What did you just say?
You and your mother planted a missing Odinji image in their house just to implicate him. But I will make sure you never become the Igwe of this land. Rubbish.
What did you just say? Come here! Come! But come on. She's not the only person who have said this to me. What is really going on? Huh?
My son is not yet back.
No, Mama.
Hey. What is he still doing at Onlywood's place? Oh. No. But I feel
Mama.
Don't worry. Very soon my son will be crowned the Igwe of Umobia community. And you will be his queen.
Thank you, Mama.
And you know what? If he's crowned the king of Umobia community, everybody will be calling me Nigwe. And all the women in this community will be under my control. And they will honor you as their queen.
That's true, Mama. Ezechina will make a good king.
Did you say a good king? In fact, he'll be one of the best kings this community ever produced. And I will give him all the support a mother will give her son.
Thank you, Mama. You are indeed a good mother.
Did you just say that? I'm a good mother. I want you to be well with my son. Did anything happen?
Mama, we need to talk. In private, let's go to the back and talk.
Continue with your coconut, oh?
Mama,
I'll see, eh?
I hope he's not angry because of me.
No, it has nothing to do with you. In fact, if he comes out and sees you, he will like you. Trust me. Oh? Yes, he will like you. Don't do that to me. You're very fine here. What?
Mama, I need you to tell me the truth, nothing but the truth.
What truth?
Did you set Ufodile up?
What kind of question is that?
Because the same thing that happened the other day repeated itself today again.
What are you talking about?
And I was on my way going to Ono's house. And I saw Afoma. She accused me of setting Ufodile up to take over his position as Digwe.
Why did she say that to you?
I don't know. She said you and I planted the missing image of Odin Gigi behind their Ufodile's house.
Why would she say that to you? Eh? Why?
I don't know. That's why I'm asking you if this is true.
Are you out of your mind? So you don't trust me? How can I even involve myself in such an abominable act? Eh? How could I have sent anybody to go to Donjiji's shrine to tamper with the image of the gods? I didn't do it. You should trust me.
Because Mama, I'm confused. Oh. This whole story looks real. Oh. Huh?
Listen, don't bother about it. Whatever Ufodile was accused of, Omereya, he's guilty of it. See that girl out there? It's that girl I was telling you about. I brought her so that you two can familiarize yourselves. She's a very good girl and from a very good background. She'll make a good wife for you. Come, let's go and see her.
Have you talked to her?
I've told her everything.
She has.
Of course, now, don't you know women? Who doesn't want to be a queen?
How did you know all that?
I saw it in a vision the night you came here. I did not know how to tell you.
Are you sure of what you've just told me?
I will never lie to you. I'm telling you for you to know the truth.
Why should the gods put me in this condition and abandon me? Why should they let my mother die? As if killing her wasn't enough. The same person went on and framed me up.
I shouldn't have told him.
No. Opodile. I said no. Opodile. You cannot go. It is not safe for you to do so.
Erima, I have to go. This is not my father's land. For how long am I going to stay here?
I haven't said you should stay here forever. I'm talking about your life.
Erima, I have to go. Please, allow me to go. I need to let my people know that I'm innocent. For my good and for the good of the community.
They will not believe a word of what you say. I told you the mystery behind your calamity for you to know the truth, not for you to endanger your life. I couldn't have hidden my visions away from you.
Erima, I am not a coward. I need to stop this evil before it gets far.
This is not the right time. It is not the moment.
Erima, why have the gods kept quiet over this all this while? Please allow me to go. My people need to know the truth.
I'm not quiet.
Yes, they are. I wouldn't have been here if they did not choose to be silent. That is why I said they are blind. My mother died. My mother died because of me. Because of me.
Whatever has a beginning surely has an end. 99 days for the thief. One day, not for the honor. Onya na banka toja. Nisi mani beya. Nkata kage udokweya.
This is a sign of bad omen. I must leave you at once. Hey! Hey! Hey!
What is it? Get forward! Odenjinji did what? Did what?
He's over there. I saw it. Odenjinji. Hey! 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 Hey!
What did he mean by Odenjinji? Odenjinji. Hey, yapkwani fendechi. Yapkwani fendechi. Hey, hey, hey. I think Odenjinji must have appeared to him. And if that is true, it means that Odenjinji is still angry with us. He's still angry. Hey, Odenjinji, I think Ono must hear this.
Onu na-ekwuri Igbo na onwe ya. Onu na-ekwuri. This is why you are panting. What's the problem?
Oh no. I'm happy I met you here. I'm actually going to your house.
I hope there's no problem.
Did you meet Ibegbu on your way coming?
Ibegbu? No. I branch off to my farm to do some certain things.
As I was going to see my in-law, I met Ibegbu running and shouting at the same time.
Why?
Do you know why he was shouting?
No.
He was shouting Odenjinji, Odenjinji, Odenjinji. He said that he saw Odenjinji.
Aloe, what's the meaning of that?
If you ask me, I will tell you that we should do something very fast. Odenjinji is angry And very soon, it will unleash the anger on this land. And you know how terrible that might be.
What makes you think that Odenjiji is angry?
Oh no.
And what do we do to avert his anger not to hit on us?
Oh no. Are you the one asking this question? Have you forgotten so soon that the man that tampered with the image of Odenjiji has not been brought to book?
Hey, but all our effort to capture that young man proved abortive. What do we do?
Then summon the youth immediately. Yes, they should commence the search for Ofodile. This time they should extend it to our neighboring villages.
You have a point. It's a nice suggestion. I will give it back to you. Call it to the house of the town crier. Tell him to summon the youths. I want to see all of them in my house this evening. Eh?
I will do exactly as you said.
It's okay.
And I will get back to you.
It's okay.
Yes.
Please do that.
How did you know and the elders expect us to go around the neighboring communities in search of Ofodile? Where are we going to start from?
Rufus, it's not all about the search.
How do you mean?
The truth is that the real offender is yet to be found.
You have started again. Why are you talking like this? See, there is every evidence from what the elders told us that the gods are angry with us for our inability to punish Ofodile according to how our custom demands.
Onowu's comment this night was only a guesswork.
Ekene, Ibiakwa, how do you mean?
The elders should sit down and have a rethink. Matters of such nature should be taken to eyes of the gods, instead of them taking laws into their own hands.
There is no need for that. We already know what our problem is. I am my hands of mine.
Rufus, have you asked yourself why Odenjiji appeared to the same man who alleged that he saw Ofodile behind the shrine area the night the image was tampered with? Well, we shall see tomorrow when we shall commence for the ultimate search.
Hello, man. Jokman, I go. Where would you put a few? He's dead, guys. Ugo? Jokman, I go. This man is dead, I'm telling you guys. Chile! Ugo? He's dead. Yeah.
Odenjiji has started to unleash its anger. Yes.
Mama, did anything happen today?
There is panic everywhere. The news is everywhere. There is panic in the land. Everybody's running helter-skelter.
What happened?
Ibebu is dead. Everybody believes it was Odenjiji that killed him. I saw him with my eyes.
Mama, how did they know it was Odenjiji that killed him? How?
The news is everywhere. I am worried because I don't want anything to interfere with your upcoming traditional marriage and coronation. This is why I'm worried.
If that is the case, I am not safe.
homeless. My life is all at stake. Oh, on the run, on the run. Who do I talk to? Where do I run to? Gods of a land, I am innocent. But I'm saying, Maka, Ika, Bugonu. But I'm saying, Maka, Ewegi Monyo, so.
I shouldn't have let him go, since the gods decided to deliver him in my hands. My mother will not be happy with this. I'm not going to tell her. I won't tell anybody.
The entire Umobia have searched everywhere for Ofodile, yet they could not find him. Then I was given an opportunity by the gods to catch him, and I let that opportunity pass me by. If Odenjiji have started killing our people, then I am not safe too.
What happened to you? I was bitten by a snake where I was hunting.
Blood turns black.
Oh, please
it's
help.
A poisonous one.
Please help me. I don't want to die. Please.
I'm coming.
Please.
No. Come with me. Do not lose your guard. Come with me, Ofodile. Do not lose your guard. Come with me. I have searched the entire community, and still I cannot get the leaves I need as an antidote for the snake bite. Ofodile will die if I fail to get an antidote after today. There are only two places I can get it. My community and Agoke, my maternal home. I cannot go to my community for fear of being caught.
Please help me. I know you can do this. Please help me. The pain is so much. The pain is so much. Please.
Ofodile, I'm sorry about the pains you're going through. By the gods, I will find the antidote today.
Do not allow me to die. Please, I don't want to die.
You will not die. But I must hurry now. We do not have much time.
Mama! Mama!
Where have you been since morning?
Mama, you won't believe it. Mama, you won't believe it.
You're all excited.
Yes!
Where have you been?
I went to visit Nkiru and her mother on our way coming from Ono's house.
You don't say.
Mama, you need to see how excited everybody was when I came in. It was like Igwe came to visit them.
You mean he went to see her in their house?
Oh, yes, so. See, they almost gave me everything in their house to eat. Drink, food.
Are you serious?
Yes, Mama.
Hey!
Mama, thank the gods that that girl is from a good family.
But I told you.
Yes. See, when I finally become the eagle.
What is it?
Our stomach.
What is it? Please come, I don't know what's happening to my son. Please come. Come, we go now. Yes.
Your son is Echina?
Yes.
What's the matter with him?
Please come immediately. Come to the house. I don't want anything to happen to my son. I don't want anything to happen to my son.
Let me quickly change. Wait for me.
Also, because also, here the baby nanny, but here the baby nanny, bro. Bano son.
I have only today to save Ofodile's life. I have searched the entire bush in Nagoki and still cannot find the particular leaf I'm looking for. The only option now is to go to my community. But I cannot risk going there. What do I do now? Worst of all, I forgot to disguise myself. I was in a haste to leave.
Obina, when is this endless search going to come to an end? I'm tired, I'm very, very tired.
Did you not call it endless search?
Obina, this is no longer funny. Eh? This is no longer getting funny. Ha!
See, Shibuzo is the cause of this problem you are facing now. If he had kept his mouth shut, maybe we wouldn't have been going through this stress. Erima, yes, today I see Erima, I saw Erima, tomorrow I saw Erima. But when it's time to provide Erima, he couldn't provide Erima again.
See, that boy is a very big fool. I told him that the person that he saw inside that bush is a ghost and not a Rima. But he still insists that that's a Rima that he saw.
By now you should have known Chibuzo. Chibuzo did not see Erima, neither did Chibuzo even saw a ghost. Chibuzo is just like that. Let's just see, for me, the king should just go on with his life and forget this girl. No. Thank God the queen is heavy with a child. God willing, she might give birth to a male child.
Yes, now, yes. As simple as that.
Have peace and this whole thing.
As simple as that.
Every day you are inside the bush, coming around looking for Erima. Every day.
Hey you! What are you still doing here? Don't come close to me. Today, that your witchcraft has failed you. Let's get out. Let's get out! Stop there! Stop there!
Let's take him to the hospital. Let's take him to the hospital. Do something now. Stop calling him now. Let's help him to the hospital. Let's help him. Let's go to the hospital. No, Baba.
He's dead.
Let's go. Just talk to your mother.
Oh, then Gigi, I'll teach again.
Oh, Gigi is not at anything, man. It's not anything. He's not one thing, he's here. Oh, man, leave me alone. My son is not dead. Yes, he's not dead. Oh, man, leave me alone. Leave me alone. My son is not dead. Oh, man, leave me alone. Nah. Did they on one? Oh, Papa. He says him here. Mommy says him here. Just help me. Let me carry him.
He's dead. Oh, then Gigi has done it again. Oh, then
Where could she be?
I don't know.
Hago, Saja, let me go this way.
Okay.
Hey! Look at that.
Leave me alone! Leave me alone!
Today, that's the sorcerer I failed you.
We explain to the Igbo how you killed the son.
I didn't kill
the other people you killed their son.
Let's take out the body.
Come on, move it.
Leave me alone!
No!
Move it. Move it.
No!
Obina, what's wrong with you? Obina!
Greetings, Highness.
Why are you here? I said I need your leader, Obina.
Your Highness, Obina is not in the right frame of mind to speak to you, Your Highness.
What happened?
We met Obina and his vice, Agu, crying and scratching themselves with boils all over their bodies. We tried to find out what happened to them, but none of them could utter a word, Your Highness.
Where are they?
They are outside, Your Highness.
What is actually happening? Why is it so difficult for me to avenge the death of my son?
Make sure you tell no one about this. Not even your bosom friend.
Yes or no?
Is that clear?
Yes or no?
Now go.
Who do I I talk to? Where do I run to? Gods of a land, I am innocent. But I'm saying,
I cannot stay here and watch him die. This next venom will soon get to his heart. I'm left with no other option than to go to my home community. I have to take that risk to save his life. That is the only way to keep him alive.
Who could believe that Igwe Okunta is epileptic? A whole Igwe Okunta is epileptic. I was shocked to my bone marrows. I'm sure she didn't hear me. That back. I have seen that back before. She's dressed like a man with a feminine footsteps. Anyway, it's a distraction.
Gods of our land. He has died. After everything I did to save your life. Who will believe I have done nothing to him? Who will believe I did not kill him? Abadile! Abadile! Gods of our land! Gods of our land! Wake up, Abadile! Wake up! Gods of our land! Gods of our land! Abadile! Abadile! Gods of our land! Where are the gods of this land? Where are they? Why would they allow my son to die
died the way he died. Even if where are the gods?
Stop crying. Eh? Odibeze, stop crying. If tears will bring back Eziechina, he would have come back a long time ago. Eh? Stop crying.
Whoever killed my son will never know peace in his entire life. They will never know peace.
Odibeze, God cannot answer that kind of prayer now.
They will surely answer this one. They will answer this one.
Look, Eziechina's death was not caused by anyone. Eh? Odenjiji was responsible for his death.
Then Odenjiji should come and kill me instead.
See, do you know who are the elders? They've refused to perform their duties. That is why the calamity is happening in this community. No. Eh? Who knows who will die next?
Odenjiji should come and kill me instead. Let me join my son in the land of the dead. I cannot be on earth like this. No son, no husband, no brother, no sister. I'm just alone here. Me, I want to join my son. I want to join my son. I want to join my son.
Odibeze, stop crying. Eh? You are the only one who can console yourself. Eh? See, you will only end up causing more harm to yourself. Eh? Stop crying.
I better die because I am no longer living. I am no longer living. I am no longer living.
Look, I only came to check how you are faring. Eh? So, but listen to me. Take my advice. Stop crying, no. Stop crying. If not, you will injure yourself.
Whoever I kill my son must die as well. The person must die. This is why I'm crying. This episode will cry like that. Because we kill the person and we don't take it. Where are the gods of this land? Come and kill me. Come and kill me the way you killed my son. Come and kill me.
You said you were going to my place.
Yes, Nai.
I hope all is well.
Oh, all is well. But there's something that's been bothering me for some time now. See, let me come and discuss it with you.
You can see that I'm going out now. But since you said that the matter is urgent, could you tell me here and then?
Nai, it's about our Igwe's problem. I have been disturbed since that day I found out that our Igwe has such problem.
I hope you have not told anybody about it.
No, at all. I have not. It's just that I know where we can go for his cure.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you. It is because you don't know the caliber of Kabbalists that have come from far and wide to profess solutions to the problem, all to no avail. Igwe is not ready to welcome any herbalist in the palace again.
Now you know, the woman I'm talking about, she's very powerful. She has the power to heal all kinds of diseases. In fact, she was the one that healed my uncle's daughter. She has the same problem that Igwe has. In fact, her own is even more than Igwe's own. But that woman was the one that made her whole.
You said a woman?
Yes, a woman.
A woman. And where is she from?
Aguke, my mother's village.
Well, I don't think our Igwe will like it. But I'll try and tell him. But you have to bear in mind that you are the only person that knows about the Igwe's problem.
Yes.
So you should keep it a secret.
Yes, no, it's always a secret. No. Okay, sir. All right. Okay. This Igwe's problem is killing us.
I'm happy you are still alive.
I need water.
Ofodile, you are favored by the gods. No one has ever been bitten by such a poisonous snake and stayed alive for 2 days. The gods have their eyes on you.
Hey, that woman. Yes. From everything the old woman said, I observed that she is capable of solving our Igwe's problem. Don't you think so?
Oh no. You would have insisted she follows us immediately. There's no point wasting time.
Okay. That wouldn't have been wise if I had persuaded her. She has given us her words that she will be at the palace tomorrow. At least she needs time to get prepared. Huh?
No, that is true.
Good.
That is true.
And the Igwe will be very happy with you, very pleased with you, if eventually he is made whole.
Now you know, I strongly believe that woman can do it.
All right.
Yes.
Okay, let's go and do some other things.
What brought them into this community? How did they get here? And which old woman were they discussing about? How did they know about you?
A man whose daughter are healed of epilepsy told them about me. But for the gods, they almost caught me unawares.
Are you serious?
I saw them from afar. I ran in to change and met them outside.
That means we are going to be very vigilant these days. But are you telling me you're actually going there?
Yes. The hour has come. The gods know right. I am going there, and you are going with me. Yes, Ofodile, you are going with me. The hour has come.
Greetings, Your Highness. You are welcome. You are welcome. Yes, I heard how gifted you are. Who is he? Okay. Please, do anything you can to save me from this shame that started after the death of my first wife. I experience it almost 3 times every day. I have not met with my cabinet ever since because of this. Please, help me. Greetings, Your Highness. Your Highness, we are here to save you from the shame you've been passing through all this while. But we are going to do that only on one condition. Oh, make your requests. I give you my words, and I'll do it immediately, as long as I will be healed.
Thank you. You must spare the lives of every single one that you intend.
Woman, I am surprised at what you just said. I am not after anyone's life.
Yes, you are. A young maiden saw the vision of the death of your son. She had to run away from this community.
for fear that you are after her life. She's innocent. You must forgive her.
No! No! She killed my son, the heir to this throne. Oh, now I know who you are. An agent of evil. God!
I knew it was going to happen. But what are we going to do if he finally finds out our true identity?
He will not do anything to us. He needs help with his problem.
You are talking as if you don't know him. Eh? He's going to subject us to torture if we don't say the truth.
He will do no such thing. He needs liberation. That I can offer.
I don't know, I wouldn't have come with you. Because he's going to keep us here without food and water. He has done that to me before.
Odile, let us stop this conversation. The walls has ears.
Oh no, Your Highness. That woman might have the cure to my illness. But that does not stop me from taking action against her and the donor.
Your Highness, your life and your statues are at stake. You cannot continue like this.
Oh no, I must avenge the death of my son. Is either they tell me the whereabouts of Erima, or I will have both of them killed.
Your Highness, you have made good effort to avenge the death of your son. Leave revenge for the gods. At least you have made good effort to avenge the death of the prince.
Are you insinuating that I should go ahead and forgive Erima after seeing the link to her whereabouts?
Your Highness, those two might not know the whereabouts of Erima. Having them detained or killing them at last will not solve any problem. Let's not lose this opportunity of your cure.
Oh no. It is hard for me to forgive that evil child because she made me childless and hopeless.
There is still hope.
It will be an act of cowardice to let Erima go after she has killed my only son.
She will surely not go free, even when you are accepted to forgive her.
Ejago, my friend, you will not stop amusing me.
But that is the truth. I will never bow down to a cow simply because I want to eat meat. It is not done.
That is right. That makes you a man. You have to be bold enough to demand for what belongs to you. Everybody in this community knows that that piece of land belongs to you.
Oh,
Not Ibekwe.
Oh, Ibekwe is getting on my nerves. But let him not worry. I am ready to answer him anywhere, anytime he calls me.
It's all right. Did you know anything about the old woman that came to the palace 3 days ago with a certain young man?
Yes.
Good evening. Papa?
So you are just coming back now?
Yes, Papa. I was not able to get a fresh one.
My friend, go home now. Go home. There's nobody at home. If in case anybody come looking for me, tell the person to wait. Okay?
Okay, Papa.
Now you can go.
Papa, you are not wasting time.
No.
Okay.
Is she the same old woman that was declared wanted by the Igwe because of Erima's case?
Yes. That was why they were detained and arrested by the Igwe. But do you know something? This afternoon, case changed.
How do you mean?
Igwe pardoned them.
he asked them to go.
But what took them to the palace in the first place?
That I don't know.
I was the only one who knew that the old woman our Igwe declared wanted was a Rima. Now, what is our mission in the palace? This man said, we are not noted. Well,
the Igwe knows it all. And I'm sure he has his reason or reasons for setting them free.
Oh yes. And I know one day the truth must come out.
That's true. That's true.
See, my friend, back to the first topic. Okay. I have not forgotten.
Okay.
I will see Ebekwe.
Okay.
You know he listens to me. I will talk to him about the land. Hmm?
That's okay. Thank you very much. That's very thoughtful of you. Okay. Let's go.
Can we go together?
Yes. Without wasting time.
My sister, in all my presence, on many faiths, to be crowned the Igwe of our community.
My sister, I heard it though.
But I'm wondering, how can a man who sleeps around with the widows of our community become our Igwe?
That is awful though. Now he has refused to get married until he is crowned the Igwe. How could such an unreasonable man wear the crown of this community? How?
But why didn't the gods choose from another family? Since Ofodile and Ezechina could not make it.
My dear, Ofodile's disappearance and Ezechina's death are still mysteries. 2 brothers gone. Just like that, just like that, including Ofodile's mother.
Thank you. I doubt the story that Ezechina was killed by Odenjinji.
Huh? Why? Why did you say that?
Look around us now. How many people has Odenjinji killed? I'm thinking that the person who killed Ofodile's mother and had Ofodile framed up knew what happened to Ezechina.
Please, say the one you know. And for my say the one you're sure of. I cannot know.
You think about it now. If Odenjiji was angry with us like people pledged, by now so many people would have died after Ezechina's death because Ofodile has not been found.
Afoma, let us leave this issue in the hands of the gods. Let's leave it in the hands of the gods. Biko.
All the best. The most beautiful woman in this universe. Not just that universe. Mr. Wine. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Good morning.
Morning. I hope you slept well.
I did. I was supposed to come and see you yesterday. But as you can see, I'm not feeling very well. So I decided to come and see you today to find out why you sent for me.
You did well. You did very well. I actually should have come myself to come and see you. You know I'm very busy because of the preparation for the coronation.
I know.
It's just 3 days from now.
I know. Well done.
Thank you. You see, you've been on my mind, particularly after the death of your son. And I've been looking for a way to help you. And I think the opportunity is here. The elders have mandated that I marry on the day of the coronation.
So, how does it affect me? How does it concern me?
See, I want you to be by my side on that day.
I mean, I want you to sit by me.
I don't understand.
Why can't you understand? What can't you understand? You see, you are the wife of my late brother. And by extension, you are my wife. I just want to continue from where my brother stopped. Yeah, I mean, there's nothing wrong in making you, crowning you the queen of this land. Or the Beze. I want you to be my wife. Where are you going?
I don't have anything to say to you. Because I can see here now that you have lost every sense of reasoning.
Odibeze, you are talking to the future Igwe of this land.
If you like, be the king of this entire universe. Acquire the whole world put together. But I, Odibeze, I will not stoop low to marry a dog like you. Ngita, bingo. That is what you are. A dog. Rubbish.
Ngita. She. Odibeze, you are walking away. I'm talking to you. You are walking away. The future Igwe of this land. You call me Nketa, dog. Okay. 3 days. Just 3 days. You will bow down before me.
I'm telling you, this cannot be the house. Let's check the other house.
I am sure this is the place. Because I remember clearly well that the last time we came, we got to this point.
If that is so, why is the place so deserted, so lonely?
Why you know, that is the place. Let's go. Yes, no. I told you this is the place.
You're welcome.
Oh, thank you. We are here to see your mother. Is she in?
Mama? Yeah.
Greetings, wise one.
Oh no. Greetings.
We are here from Igbo Konta of Amude community. She said we should give you this gift as appreciation. He has been cured of his epilepsy.
The gods be praised. Ofodile, accept the gifts. My greetings to the Igwe. The gods be praised. Say that he has been healed.
He pleaded with you that you should accept the gifts, even though you did not ask for them. He added that you should tell Irima to return home if you know her whereabouts.
The gods be praised.
Say,
I am grateful. Tell the Igwe that I have a surprise for him. And only you will deliver the message of that surprise.
Now you know. The gods be praised that the Igwe is well. Tell the Igwe that Erima lives. The life he tried to take is the same life that saved his life. The gods be praised that I can return back home. Tell him that I will certainly return back home soonest.
Erima, you went too far. You wouldn't have shown them your true identity.
I did what I was supposed to do. I have waited a long time for this.
Erima, don't you think that Igwe Konta might decide to change his mind and have you executed now that he has known your true identity?
Do not be afraid of Odile. The gods know why this has happened. We leave at dawn tomorrow.
To where?
Your community.
To my community? To go and do what? Don't you know that they're after my life too?
Of Odile. Time and season. There is time for everything. A time to run. And a time to go back. A time for war. And a time for peace. This is the right hour. Do not forget who you are. We leave at dawn.
What is she talking about? I don't understand. Is it that she's afraid that Igwe Konta might come here looking for her?
At last, Omenife is about to be crowned as the Igwe of Umobia Kingdom. Yes! At least I am confident that he's going to stand by our agreement. Meaning that in no distant time, I will become the Prime Minister of this land. Enoka the manipulator. Enoka
This here is the offer of Umoba Kingdom. It's the symbol of our authority. By it, you are charged by custom and tradition to rule with justice and fairness. You wicked man.
Where is this man coming from? Oh no! Arrest this man immediately. Get the youth to arrest this man before he escapes again. Oh no! What are you waiting for? I said get the youth to pick this man.
You are a wicked man. Go out there and confess to the people the evil you've done on this land.
What are you talking about? Eh? You committed abomination against this land and you are supposed to be dead by now. The gods have brought you out from your hiding place
Oh no. By the powers conferred on me as the Igwe of this kingdom, I command you to get the youths now. Pick this man, take him to the evil forest and kill him.
Omenife, calm down. We have to understand what is going on here.
Omenife, the days of your wickedness are over. Go and confess to the people how you poisoned my mother in your bid to take over my life. As if that wasn't enough, you framed me up with the missing image of Odenjinji.
You are lying! Don't believe him, he's lying, oh! He's lying! Listen, don't kill me! Don't kill me! Don't kill me! I will confess! I killed Ukoma. It was in my bid to kill Ofodili. Huh? It was Ijenuka that pushed me to do it.
Omenife, it is in our hands for the gods to change their minds. All you need to do is to cooperate with me. That's all. That's all. That's all.
How is that possible? Look, we are mere mortals. And we don't have the power to make the gods change their minds.
Very simple. Very, very simple. Ofodile has to be killed. Oh yes. Ofodile has to be killed.
Please stop. How can you say that? That boy is the son of my late brother. No, don't go there.
Omenife, don't be afraid. Nobody will suspect you. Believe me. Nobody will suspect you. You see, everyone knows that Odibeze is angry because her son was not chosen. Very soon she will start exhibiting a friendly attitude towards Ugoma and her son. You know that. So, by the time we poison Ofodile, all eyes will be on her.
Ijenuka, are you sure we can do this? Eh? Are you sure it's going to be easy?
Very, very easy. Omenife, the power of the snake is within the snake. So what are we talking about? Very easy. All you need to do is to prepare your mind. I will provide the poison while you do the rest. But you will promise me that when you become the Igwe, you have to make me your Prime Minister. Yes.
Whatever has a beginning surely has an end. 99 days for the team.
This is the opportunity I've been looking for. If they like, they eat it together. That's not my business. They eat and die.
Apology.
I have known this family for years. I mean, I've been with them for years. Uguma and Ofodile, they always eat together. Eh? How that woman decided to eat alone this time around is what beats my imagination.
Omenife, you disappointed me. You disappointed me. I don't expect you to still be talking. Eh? I am highly disappointed.
How are you disappointed? Eh? How are you disappointed? How am I to know that they were not going to eat together this time around?
You look at how you just messed up the whole plan. We did very well. Eh? Anyway, we are going to make another plan immediately because there is no time to waste.
Yes, I agree with you.
Yes.
Eh? We are going to make another plan. Eh? We'll wait for another opportunity. I am going to administer the poison myself. Let me see how it's going to escape it.
No more poison. Yes, this time around, we are going to steal the image of Udenjiji. Yes.
Steal?
That is what I'm saying.
Image of Udenjiji? No. Have you considered the implication?
Implication is dead. You know, and I know. That is the reason why we need to steal it and implicate Ofodile by planting it in his mother's house.
Mbana, I'm not part of that plan. How do you expect me to enter the shrine of Udenjiji? Eh? It is too dangerous. Look, let's map out another plan. Yes.
Who said you should enter the shrine of Udenjiji? Who said so? I never said so. Omenife, leave everything for me. Leave everything for me. I'm the brain behind this. Just relax. Okay? I have someone that will do a clean job for us. A very clean job. And that person is no other person than Ibegbo, the son of late Ume. Yes.
Do you trust him? Eh? Are you sure he will not implicate us?
He will not implicate us. I have used him before. I trust him. I used him when I had problem with my younger brother. He will do a he will do a clean job for you. Listen, there is no cause for alarm. When you give him money, when you give him enough money, he will deliver. He will finish work. Just give him money. Give him money.
But why are you still wasting time? Eh? Why you wait? Go.
Let me go. I will call him.
Go.
Don't worry.
This guy, you are a bad guy. Ofodile, you are now on the run. Very soon, you will be caught and killed. The next on our list is Ezechina. Once it's removed, I'll be the next choice for the throne of Umobia Kingdom. What a pleasant coincidence. Ezechina, my boy. How are you?
I was just passing by. I said, let me come and greet you.
Oh, that is why I like you. You are a good son.
Thank you.
Eh? You see, this Ofodile, I'm yet to overcome the shock and shame that he brought to our family. That is disgraceful.
It's a pity.
How could he do that?
It's a pity. Not only you, he brought disappointment to all of us.
Do you know you are lucky? Yes. He has given you an opportunity of a lifetime. Now, you are going to be the next Igwe of Umobia Kingdom. Eh?
Uncle, that is true.
Sit down, my manners. You see, I'm happy you came. Yeah? Yes. Wait for me. I'm coming.
Thank you, Uncle.
My son.
What must be, must surely be. Destiny can be delayed, but not denied. If I get metal, Ojilisia Bulu. If I get metal, Ojilisia Bulu. No one can put
China, today you are going to join your late father in the land of the dead. Then I, Omenife, will be the next Igwe of Umobia Kingdom. Yes. China drank the wine and died. His baby was not killed by Odenjiji. We killed him so that he will not expose our secrets.
How many people are low? How many of you are a wicked man? So you are the one behind all the evil going on in this town. How many of you?
It is only a child that plays with the head of a python. Oh no! This man deserves to be stoned to death.
It's the work of the devil. How many of you? You are going to be taken to the evil forest and be stoned to death.
Yes! Hey!
The wicked man. Hey! My son of Onny, we are very sorry. We are sorry. You can now come and sit on the throne of your forefathers as the Igwe Chinemeze the one of Umoba Kingdom. My son, congratulations.
Ogidi